But I've worked very, very hard, and I've been very, very patient to finally get a part like We Lay Thee Wedding for sure. And it definitely broke some glass ceilings. And I'm honestly so thankful to be a part of a film like that. Honestly, everybody's journey is very, very unique to themselves, to each person. And my journey, it is what it is, but I don't judge other people's journeys, for sure.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani, and today I'm very excited to chat with Shikha Talsania, who's all set to entertain us in her next film, Coolie Number One. Hi Shikha.
Hi, it's so lovely to be here.
Yeah, same here. It's so good to have you. So, Shikha, tell me, I watched the trailer and you really come as a surprise package. You're like, when I saw you in the trailer, I was like, wow. So, what is your role? Can you tell something more about? Because I'm very excited to know about it.
So Sarah and I play sisters. Also, thank you so much for those kind words. That's amazing.
Welcome.
Thank you. Sarah and I play sisters. Our father is Mr. Paresh Rawal, who's looking for the Mr. Richie Rich of the world. And we go on a completely mad, exciting, entertaining ride with Kunwar Saab and Raju, aka Mr. Varun Dhawan.
Yeah.
And that's what what we're doing in the film. So, and the rest of it, you'll have to wait till 25th of December to watch it.
Definitely waiting for it. Tell me something. Your father, he played the role in the original Coolie Number One, and now you are in the remake of it. Is it like a proud moment? And what was his reaction to watch the trailer?
I mean, I'm sure he's definitely very proud. I know that for a fact that he was very excited and very happy for me. My entire family was. And for me, it's very, very special to be. I don't think a lot of people can say that you get to be a part of something that your parent was a part of originally. So for me, it's a very, very special film.
Okay. And from the looks of it, the trailer, the promo, whatever's coming out, it's just looking so much fun. Like we want to be a part of it like that. How was it being a part on set? Being on a David Dhawan set, I have always heard this, that it's fun. Just go and have fun. So how was it for you?
Exactly. That is exactly what my father said as well. Just have fun. That's all you need to do. And that was exactly what we did. And that was exactly the atmosphere over there. It was just pure fun. It was amazing to be directed by David, sir. It was amazing to share the same creative space as Varun, Sarah, and Sahil, and Paresh ji, and Johnny Uncle, and Javed ji, and Rajbaji. Everybody, oh my God. I mean, I've admired all of them, and they've entertained all of us so much while growing up. And to share space with them was absolutely magical.
Definitely. And when there's a film that's been remade, there are always comparisons to the original one. And as Varun said earlier, that we are ready for the comparisons, but Coolie Number One, this one has its own aspect to offer. So according to you, what is that new masala or new thing that this film will offer?
Well, again, as I said earlier, you'll have to wait and watch. I can't give away all the surprises right now. There's a lot that is very different, and as Varun said, we're ready for it. Please watch it 100 times to spot all the comparisons that you want to make, because we just want you to watch the film and enjoy it as much as we enjoyed making it for you guys. And there's definitely a fresher perspective in it, and I hope you guys like it.
Okay. And Coolie Number One, of course, was all set to release back in May in theaters, but because of the pandemic, now it's coming on the web. With theaters, of course, now being open. But how do you see this OTT release? Of course, there are pros and cons, but personally, as an actor, how do you see it as?
Personally, as Shikha, I am just excited that I get to finally see Coolie Number One, because we worked so hard on it, and it's been so long. We've had to wait, which is absolutely fine. We completely understand that, and but I'm just happy that we finally get to see this film. We finally, it's ready for all of us to watch it and all of you to watch it. So personally, for me, I'm just glad that I get to watch the film with my family.
Okay. And how many times, or did you, of course you would have watched the original, but did you take anything away from it? If I'm not wrong, you're playing the role what Kanchan ma'am played in the original. Yeah.
Yes.
So What did you take away anything from the original?
Oh, every joke, every dance step. I used to know every step of Husna Hai Suhana.
Okay.
So that for sure. The music, the entertainment, I took all of that with me.
That's great. And Shikha, when Veere Di Wedding released, there was this buzz that was around you personally also and professionally, because people were actually talking about your particular role and not like, there is some actress who's just doing a part. Your role actually made an impact. Do you think in your career also it changed your ball game?
Thank you. I'm sure it did. It definitely. I mean, I know the differences that have come about after that, but I've worked very, very hard, and I've been very, very patient to finally get a part like We Did the Wedding for sure, and it definitely broke some glass ceilings, and I'm honestly so thankful to be a part of a film like that. And it's everything has changed, but it's also not just and only because of the Wedding. I think creatively we're in a very fertile atmosphere right now. We have lots of different stories coming about. We have lots of different creative minds coming together and collaborating together. So the world right now is just honestly, the possibilities are endless.
Definitely, yeah. And I was recently talking to the producer, Nikhil sir, and he told me that, Veera Di Wedding 2 will definitely happen. The girls will be back and all of that. So any update on that?
Well, for now, there's Kuri number one, but right after that, you never know. Some announcements might be made.
Okay. And when Coolie number one trailer released, there were so many artworks, there were tweets trending continuously, and
Yeah,
the response was massive. It was the
yeah,
masala entertainer that 2020 needed because everyone was waiting
absolutely.
for it.
Yeah.
So you tell me, is the response, the buzz that's surrounding the trailer reassuring, or is it kind of making you nervous that now the film's releasing? What will be the response?
I think every time a new project comes about, and especially for Kuri number one, as you said, I think it is the entertainer we all deserve, and we need so desperately in 2020 with the year that it's been. Um, there's always that nervous excitement before your film releases or any project that you're doing releases. You're always nervous, but it's that nervous excitement. It's the good kind of butterflies in your stomach. So with all the love that's been pouring in, it's been very reassuring, and it's been like my heart is full of love for everybody who's responded so wonderfully to the trailer and to the songs. So yeah, I hope we live up to all of that and more on 25th of December.
Okay. And tell me something. There have been constant debates about insider, outsider, and all of that. We have just, gone through that phase. But you, as an individual, have worked very hard, and piece by piece, you have made your career. As you mentioned, that, you had to work a lot to get where you are today. But how difficult was it for you? Because if we say you also belong to a family where your father has been a very, very, very acclaimed actor. So how has the journey been for you?
Everybody's journey, and I've been saying this from Kingdom Come, since Kingdom Come. Honestly, everybody's journey is very, very unique to themselves, to each person. And my journey, it is what it is, but I don't judge other people's journeys for sure. I can't. It's impossible. I haven't been in those shoes, so I have no right to judge it, and I have no. It would be unfair of me to judge it. I have chosen a path for me where my family and I were very, very clear from the beginning that we are individuals first, and we're going to create our own paths and our own journeys. And I came very organically to acting, and the career that I have had for the past few years has also been all my own, and it's been very organic and it's been very instinctive. What I have learned is to be patient, to be resilient. It does get tough. It does. It's really hard sometimes, but it's also full of lots of love and lots of wonderful creative minds that you meet along the way. I like some of my closest friends are from the industry and from the other people that I have met while through my almost 12 years. that I've been around. So I hold that very, very, very close to my heart. All the wonderful equations and relationships that I have with my colleagues. That's the most special thing for me.
Okay, that's wonderful. And lastly, Shikha, just one message for all the Coolie #1 fans out there who are actually desperately waiting for the film to release.
Well, we have a few surprises lined up just before the release of the film. So I'm really hoping that you like our surprises. And keep your popcorn ready, keep your dancing shoes ready. There's going to be lots of drama, lots of action, lots of entertainment. And I hope you have a wonderful Christmas with us while watching Coolie #1.
Definitely. I'm sure everyone will. Okay. Thank you so much, Shikha, for chatting with me. It was pleasant having you.
Thank you so much for having me. It was lovely
Yeah.
chatting with you as well.
Same here. Bye-bye. Good luck for Coolie #1.
Bye-bye. Thank you.